Sinabi ng US na kaagad nitong kakausapin ang Ukrainian military ukol sa paglusob nito sa teritoryo ng Russia. Pinabulaanan din ng White House na may alam sila sa ginawang pag-atake ng Ukraine sa Russia. Emi Kapilita Roja para sa balita.
Noong Miyerkules, sinabi ni White House spokesperson Karine Jean-Pierre na makikipag-ugnayan ito sa Ukraine upang maunawaan ang ginawa nitong paglusob sa Russia. Ani Pierre, nananatiling nakatuon ang atensyon ng US sa katiyakan na madedepensahan ng Ukraine ang sarili nito.
So look, I can say this is that we are going to, obviously we've seen the reportings, obviously, so we're going to reach out to the Ukrainian military to learn more about their objectives. As far as the specifics on that, I would refer you to the Ukrainians to speak about their own military operations. That's where I would refer you to. But we are, generally speaking, as you know, we have been supportive of Ukraine as they are defending themselves against Russia's aggression. We think that is obviously important to do as we talk about democracy and freedom, and so we're going to continue to do that. And they are going to take actions, right? Common sense actions to certainly to protect themselves from these attacks. But as for the specific operation, we're going to reach out to them to see what their objective is and continue to stay focused. We are going to continue to stay focused on making sure they have what they need to defend themselves against Russia's aggression.
Sinabi ng Russia na umiinit ang pakikipaglaban nila sa Ukrainian forces matapos nitong pasukin ang southern border ng bansa na malapit sa isang major natural gas transmission hub. Ito anya ay isa sa pinakamalaking paglusob sa Russian territory mula nang sumabog ang giyera. Ayon sa Health Ministry ng Russia, may 31 sibilyan, kabilang ang 6 na mga bata ang nasaktan. Samantala, ukol naman sa mga ulat ng panggagahasa, torture at pang-aabuso sa mga bihag na Palestinian sa kamay ng Israeli military, sinabi ni Pierre na tunay na nababahala ang White House.
So the reports of rape, torture, and abuse are deeply, deeply concerning. And we have been clear and consistent with Israel that it must treat all detainees humanely and with dignity in accordance with international law, must respect detainees' human rights, and must ensure accountability for any abuses or violations. Reiterate that we support an IDF investigation into allegations of serious abuse of Palestinian detainees by IDF soldiers. It is essential that the rule of law and due process prevail. That is what we're going to see, and obviously we're going to continue to have those conversations.
Itinanggi ng Israeli military ang mga alegasyon ng sistematikong pang-aabuso. Ang IDF ang nagpapatakbo ng ilang detention facilities kung saan nakakulong ang mga bihag na Palestino. Emi Kapilita Roja para sa Mata ng Agila International, trusted, connected, on point.